Welcome all of you in my channel S&T Power Vision. In this video, learn about how to extract the data from the given website and then cleaning. So let's start here. So this is one of our website from the Wikipedia that explains COVID-19 pandemic by country and territory here. So we'll extract the data website and then clean it. So let's start here. First, copy this link, click on the get data. After that, select the web option. Now paste the website here, then OK. It is getting loaded here, so we have to wait. So we'll select some of the tables from here. Then COVID-19 vaccine distribution by country. First confirmed COVID-19 case by country here. So click on the transform data. So first we'll select this table, first confirmed COVID-19 case by country here. We can see here column 1, column 2, then date and country oblique territories here. So here header is missing here. So we'll do as usual, use first row as a headers. Now we can see here, this is the date and this is the country oblique territory option. Here one thing here, we can see that for a particular date, there are more than one country for which first confirmed COVID-19 case here. For example, 20 January 2020, South Korea, then United States. After that, like 23 January 2020, Nepal, Singapore, Vietnam. So we have to split it here. So this, copy it, and here go to the split by column, split by delimiter option here. So select or enter delimiter. We have to select custom option here, paste it here. Then each occurrence of the delimiter, we have to select this option. It means where we will find this character, then it will split the table from here. Now click on OK. Now we can see here where there are two countries like South Korea, United States. After we can see all the null value, means it is splitted here. Now we have to select all the country oblique territories and click on pivot column. Now we'll remove this attribute column here. We don't need it. Oh, by mistake we have deleted both the columns, so we'll unchange it. So now we have only date and value here. So we can see our value list of country here. So we'll rename it. Now we can see your date. This is the country object territory here. Now we'll go to the transform and format, then trim, then trim. Many time it have the space like for example China. After it might contain the like space and also we have to remove those things. So here all the empty space will be removed. Now next is to remove the like we can see some special character like in the bracket B, C. So we have to remove those special character here. So here again split column by delimiter we will use here. For example, where it find this bracket here, it will remove. So Control C. Okay. Now we can see here only date. So we'll remove this all these things here. Not needed. So we can see only date and country object territory dot one here. Now we'll rename it. Now same thing we can see here in the date also there is some special character like this bracket here. So we have to remove from the date column as well here. So we'll do it here. Just copy paste, copy, go to the split column, delimiter, select the custom, leftmost delimiter we have to select. Okay, we can see here it is splitted here. So you have to remove this column here. Now we can see here all the date and the country object territory here. So rename it. So now we can see our data is very much clean here. We have only date and country object territory, like for which country, the what is the first confirmed COVID-19 case date only. Right. Now next is the COVID-19 vaccine distribution also. We'll clean that table also and we'll show you how to do the things here. Now Here try to understand one thing here. Here like we are getting data from the like website which is not the secure data, as well as like it's a very irregularly formatted data here, so we have to do all those cleaning here. So here in this step column we don't have any data, so remove it. Now see here we are the world of, so we have to clean this one also, remove this row. There is option remove row. There is option to remove the top rows. Yeah, this is the home, remove top rows. We'll select this option here. Number of rows 1 here. So this is the country here. This is the vaccinated. This is the percentage here. Now we have to remove the bottom row as well here. So remove rows, bottom rows, then number of rows will be 1. So we can see we are remove all the means so data which was contain the junk value or which is not of use for us. Now select location column, transform here. Again we can see this bracket here. So just copy, split column by delimiter, custom here, copy paste. Then we have to means to identify its first occurrence from the left side here. So we'll see the leftmost delimiter here. Now we'll remove this column where content contains mostly null values. So now it is sorted data. So just rename it. This is the location. This is the vaccinated. This is the percentage. So like that we have to clean all the data. Okay, this is the way to means extract the data from the website and then cleaning it. Like that we have to means we can clean the other table as well here.